Wow, waking up to something awesome. Welcome back. Here's the start of part 5 of the Adventure West. And what a great way to start this adventure with a beautiful, beautiful sunrise here in Branson, Missouri. All right, packed up Clifford mostly last night, and I'm going to do some work and then start heading west some more. Let's go. Adventure if you can. All right, just dropped Clifford off to get the tires rotated because it's been almost 5,000 miles since I put those new ones on there. And it's pretty empty. They took him right in. That usually doesn't happen. So let's keep going west. But first, let's play around Branson just a little bit. All right. So that was a fail. they don't do partial filling here, and I don't need the whole thing. So the search continues for more propane. All right, Clifford is all packed up and ready to go. Let's head further west. Welcome to Kansas, where the state tree is a telephone pole. Let's go find some. It's a pretty epic sunset. Go Kansas. All right, let's keep going. All right, after all that driving, it's definitely time for some motion. I'm not gonna show it to you though, so I'll be right back. All right, workout complete. Let's get back on the road. So as much as I go to Walmart, who thinks we should all buy Walmart stock? All right, let's go find camp. And after a very long day of driving, welcome to Colorado, where it's a little chill. All right, just a little bit further until I actually got a hotel. So a little bit further to the hotel. So let's keep going. Hotel stay is over. I showed you nothing. Let's get back on the road and further into Colorado. I was just driving down the road and I was like, oh, I forgot to torque my tires when I left the hotel. So like every 500 miles, not every 500 miles after you get your tires worked on, it's always a great idea to torque your tires down to, you know, especially what the torque is. For this Ram, it's 125 foot-pounds, whatever that is. They're all loose, seriously, every single bolt. So I'm really glad I did that. Let's keep going. Show you that this time because I've already shown it to you in an earlier story. If you want to see that, go check out some other story that I can't think of right now. Somewhere in this YouTube, there is that, and it's really cool. It was a rainy time when I was there. All right, anyway, let's keep driving. All right, trying to get out here for sunset. Let's go see if we can make it. All right, sunsets 0, cold hands 2. All right, let's keep going.
uderzył po wodzie i wszystko.
Pełno błota, pozamykane ulice.
W Malibu jak byliśmy, to plaże pozamykane w Malibu, bo zmyło plażę, wywaliło wszystko przy domu.
Well, all right, that's a abrupt end to the journey west, even though it was quite beautiful, and the fantastic Grand Canyon. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I've encouraged you, as always, to go out and adventure if you can. Thanks for watching, and until the next journey. Bye.